Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to teach you how to make a face mask. We're in this COVID-19 situation and everyone is required to have a face mask. At least you need to protect yourself. Need these items right here. We're going to need fabric. Today I'm working with Ankara fabric, very colorful. We're going to need a lining for the fabric. We're going to need fabric scissors. We're going to need tape measure, ruler, marker, elastic. This is 6 inches each to be exact. We're going to need paper scissors because you don't need to be cutting your paper with fabric scissors. And then we're going to need pattern paper. So let's start with making a pattern, and which we are going to transfer later to the fabric and the lining. fasten this into the lining so it won't be slipping while you're cutting it. Make sure you cut close to the end so you won't be wasting fabric. And we're going to do the same for the Ankara fabric. Like I said, make sure you're as close to the end as you can be so there is no wastage. So this is going to be, this is the lining and this is the outside part. So what you're going to do, you put the right faces facing each other and sew along this curve, and do the same for the lining. So without wasting your time, we're going to go to the sewing machine and just sew along here, just like I said. Make sure to keep them pinned together. Okay, see you when I get back. Let it lie straight. So we're done with sewing right here, close this cuff. What you do now, get this Ankara fabric and turn it inside out. Yeah, just the Ankara fabric, and iron on the outside of this so that they can lie straight. So what you do, you get this and attach the lining, right faces facing each other. And pin them together. So we're going to sew alongside this. And leave just a spot of maybe 1.5 inches right here, and not forgetting to add the elastic on both sides. I want to add them from inside so that they be neat when you turn it inside out, like I'm going to show you. So this is how you're going to insert the elastic. Make sure just a small tip is peeping from here. Remember that was only one side, so make sure you pull out the other side. As you can see. I like to remove the pins along the way so it won't piercing me. So you do the same for the other side. Start the elastic just one side. Make sure a little bit is peeping. Side just a little. Like I said, make sure you mark about 1.5 to 2 inches and don't sew alongside it, so you'll be able to pull it out when you're done. Yes, so now we are done. So what you do, you're going to nip off these corners. So the edges are going to be neat once you turn it inside out. Whatever you do, make sure you're making neat work. What we're going to do here, we're going to turn it inside out. can maybe use scissors. I like to use scissors. I have to push these corners out very slowly. So you see, this is a mask, very breathable. We're going to iron it and then sew around it to finish. Now after ironing, make sure you're sewing at the end so that the threads won't be so noticeable. So this right here is our finished product, our mask, very breathable, as you can see. If you like this video, please share to your friends and family, and if you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe so you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you.